Who started the First World War? Not Muslims. Who started the Second World War? Not Muslims. Who killed 6 million Jews in the Holocaust like Hitler? Not Muslims. Who killed about 20 million Aborigines in Australia? Not Muslims. Who dropped the nuclear bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan? America. Not Muslims. Who killed more than 100 million Indians in North America? Not Muslims. Who killed more than 50 million Indians in South America? Not Muslims. Who enslaved about 180 million African people, and 88% of them died and were thrown overboard into the Atlantic Ocean? Not Muslims. First of all, you need to define terrorism properly. If a non-Muslim does something bad, it's a crime. But if a Muslim commits something less than that, he is labeled a terrorist. So first, let's remove these double standards. Then